What would you do if the Earth was ending? If climate changed?
If the beautiful world we live in became just a memory in our dreams. I would be the carrier of Earth, the carrier of life. I would have a magic bag that could keep the seeds alive, so they could be removed from their changing environments and kept safe. Because every great rainforest also starts off as seeds. I would seek for the seeds, the things that could bring life, to keep the world alive. Imagine a dying world where the plants can't grow anymore. This could become our reality if we do not live sustainably. I would travel long and far to collect a variety of seeds. The world has 3 trillion trees, but these are being burnt down, cut down. Will we stop before they are gone? I would keep the seeds safe in a forest, so they could be surrounded by living plants, not yet affected by the actions of humans. And in a world where plants would be dying, I would hide my collection and wait for a place where they could grow. There would lie my buried bottle of hope. But hope doesn't stop the soil becoming infertile. The trees weren't growing. And without plants, the oxygen goes too. Action needs to be taken by everyone, or else all hope is destroyed. So it becomes not a question, but a statement. The world is dying, and I alone cannot save the trees or stop climate changing. This will be our future if we as a global community do not live sustainably. As the last trees will stop growing, as the soil finally becomes infertile. And all that will be left to say is I'm sorry. As humans, we failed. Climate change has won. But it can be different.